What's going on, guys? Welcome to this episode of Homebuilt Workshop, and welcome to episode number 6 of the Great Guitar Build-Off for 2021. We have come down to the wire. It's demo time. I'm here with my buddy Jesse, who's going to give this thing a test run. So before we jump right into the sounds, to let you guys know what we're running this through, this is running from the guitar into a Mesa Boogie single rectifier, then it's going into an Axe effects for just a few of the effects, and then finally it's coming out of the Mesa 412 cabinet, being mic'd up and running into the computer. You ready? Let's do this. And then do something similar to that. It didn't have to be very long. And then just let it, like at the end, just let it ring.
Okay.
I want to see how long it will actually ring.
How long it goes?
There we have it, guys. The demo for the Hayley Guitars Dorian for the Great Guitar Build-Off. Jesse, got any final thoughts?
Yeah, Jeff, this is amazing guitar. You did a great job. I really love the color. The maple top is awesome. It's the best one you've done, and it really plays really great. And I hope I gave it some justice. And
Right on, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thanks to you guys for checking this video out. This is the last part of the Great Guitar Build-Off. The very next video is going to be the overall final video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Links in the description if you guys want to check out any of the other parts. Thanks again, Jesse. Appreciate it a lot.
You're welcome anytime.
Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.